GT defending.
Moet, what's the field? Long on point. Dubé standing on off stump. Very good from Mohit Sharma.
Just have a look at that. 1:30 in the morning.
Oh, very good from Mohit Sharma. Comeback player of the year, comeback player of the season, whatever the outcome. Long off. Short of long on. What a
This season, Faf du Plessis hit 36.
Right.
Surely.
Straight. Down to long off. And just one more. The Yorker is cooking. The Yorker is perking. There's still
6 and 4 as well. It's 10 needed.
I think there's somebody's on the field. The 12th man's on the field. A drink. Is this disrupting momentum? Bish, disrupting momentum here for Mohit Sharma, having somebody run onto the field.
16 final, slow it right down. Can't be your thoughts. Down the ground. Oh, 6 of them! Jadeja! 6 of them!
180 has become 200. Oh,
Last ball. Oh, Jadeja! Never bet against MS Dhoni and CSK. It's time.
6-4. He comes from this part of the world. Ravindra Jadeja, very much a Gujarati, and he's finished things off here. CSK.